जी शाह साहब।
जनाब चेयरमैन, मैं बिल्कुल इस बात का एतराफ़ करना चाहूँगा कि ये बहुत अहम करारदाद सेनेटर मुश्ताक साहब हाउस में लाए और आपने दीगर ऑपोजिशन जमातों से भी इनपुट लिया और इनपुट लेकर आपने मुझसे शेयर किया। मैंने उस रेजोल्यूशन में चंद तजावीज़ उनकी खिदमत में पेश की, उन्होंने उनका बगौर मुताला किया और इत्तफाक किया, और ये जो मैं रेजोल्यूशन उनकी इजाज़त से, क्योंकि मुझे इस बात का एहसास है कि सेनेटर मुश्ताक साहब का सैयद अली शाह साहब गिलानी के ज़ात के साथ और उनके नज़रियात के साथ और उनकी तवील जद्दोजहद के साथ इनका एक नज़रियाती और एक बड़ा पुराना सियासी सिलसिला है, लेकिन इसको और अहमियत देने के लिए इन्होंने मेहरबानी फरमाई है और मुझे इजाज़त दी है कि मैं इसको पेश कर दूं। जनाब वाला, ये जो हम पेश कर रहे हैं इत्तफाक राय से, वो है द सेनेट ऑफ पाकिस्तान expresses tribute to iconic late Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani for his lifelong struggle for justice, freedom and self-determination of Kashmiri people against the Indian illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir. Strongly condemns the suppressive acts of Indian occupation forces of snatching of the mortal remains of Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani from his family members. Denounces the unceremonious
रेजोल्यूशन पेश कर रहे हैं, इसके बाद तशरीफ रखें सेनेटर साहब, इतनी भी नहीं है, उनके लिए भेज रहे हैं बंदे। फैसल सलीम साहब और उमर साहब आप जाएं, प्रेस वालों से पूछें क्यों वो वॉकआउट कर गए, प्लीज जी।
Denounces the unceremonial burial of the great leader in gross violation of the basic rights norms, reflecting rage, tyranny and barbarianism of Indian occupation forces. Recommends that the government of Pakistan should continue to take up the issue of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir at all regional and international forums, including the United Nations. Urges upon the international community to take notice of the government of India's callous and inhumane handling of the situation, violating all civil and human rights norms in the occupied valley. Calls upon the government of India to stop the harassment of the family members of Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani and drop orchestrated charges against them. Demands that the government of India should immediately release the detained Kashmiri political leaders and youth in arbitrary detentions in jails across India. Urges upon the government of India to allow unhindered access to the United Nations observers, international human rights and humanitarian organizations, as well as international media in IIOJK to assess the ground realities. Demands the government of India to immediately lift the inhumane military siege in IIOJK and remove restrictions on the media, internet, mobile communication, movement of people and peaceful assembly. Denounces the illegal measures to change the demographic structure of the occupied territory. Calls upon the government of India to stop extrajudicial killings of Kashmiri youth in fake encounters and cordon and search operations, and demands the government of India to reverse and revoke the illegal and unilateral steps of 5th of August 2019 and allow Kashmiris to exercise their right of self-determination in accordance with the relevant UN Security Council resolutions and the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. Thank you.
I now put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The resolution is passed unanimously.